Guys, we're trying some matcha recipes. We're filming some videos for Mello. I ordered grass jelly because I saw a video for a recipe and it looked so good. I love chewy, jiggly, like bubble tea vibes. But I thought it would be all chopped up like this, and it's not. It's, it's literally just a full slab of jelly. So we're gonna have to cut it up. I've whisked the Mello.
Oh, that's not.
I just should have peeled the tin off properly, but here we go.
All right.
Here we go. Oh my god.
Oh.
Dude.
Oh.
Chop. This is not okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh. Perfect. Perfect. Stunning. Yeah, you are being in frame for that, but you added a lot. Stunning. Stop. Stunning.
Okay.
All right.
Recipe number 2. We've tried a new location.
Making a masala chai mellow matcha.
Masala chai mellow matcha.
With cinnamon honey. I'm really stressed.
It's stressful, isn't it?
Okay. One more.
This is me on Steven Spielberg director's chair. Like, why is it so stressful?
Dude, that's the aesthetic. It's okay.
Why do I actually feel like a director? Yes. Wow. This one we were gonna do ASMR.
Just cut like small moments and then it's like, oh, ooh, oh, splash.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Mmm. Yeah!
Acting. Let's see if it's good.
Okay.
It's actually good. Could use a bit more of
Honey?
honey. We can test the chai.
Ooh.
Okay, recipe.
Yummy. A productive day. I've sorted out pretty much everything I'm getting rid of in here, and what's left is just the stuff that the removalist is going to pick up and take. I've thrown a bunch of clothes on my bed because I need to figure out what to wear for tonight. I'm going to see Radiohead. Before I talk about that, I've got this bag here is stuff for Bali. This bag here, I need to put it in a suitcase. It's going to be warm gear for when I get back to leave at my cousin's house. And yeah, so I need to figure out an outfit. I look crazy right now. It's been a busy day, but guys, I'm going to Radiohead. I'm going to Radiohead. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I didn't really think that in my lifetime I would ever see them because they haven't played in almost, I think it's like almost 8 years or something. So I need to plan an outfit. It's pouring outside and we'll be all night. So I'm like, do I just do like, I can't actually see what I'm trying. Do I just do like a big kind of waterproof black jacket? Do I go fun with like a yellow? Do I do my big like black trench? Could be kind of cool. Moody vibes, I don't know. I really shouldn't overthink it because who even cares? I'm gonna be in a room crying my eyes out. Like something like this could be cute, but like it's pouring outside. So I feel like wearing a skirt is just stupid. But anyways, chat more when I'm doing my makeup. I'm gonna just try some outfits first and then do my makeup.
Sure, we're gonna just have those days. Let's go there.
It's a bit of a hangover day today, but we are being extremely productive. I had Radiohead last night, which was amazing. I still can't believe I saw them live. Really incredible. I just hate the O2, the venue that they played at. It's like this big arena in London, and it's just like, I don't know why. I feel like for a band like Radiohead, it would be so good just like seeing them at a festival in a field. Still amazing. Went to the gig and then we met some friends. Well, we had dinner first and drinks with friends, and we left. And then came back and met them. They were all out and about. So we had a big night. But I can't believe tomorrow the moving company comes and is packing up everything. I still can't believe, like, I've never had a removalist before, and so I'm like, it feels really bizarre that I just like am not packing my stuff, that I'm just like leaving it for them to do, which I'm so excited for. I've never had one and it just feels like so much less stress. I've just almost finished doing my bag for Bali, put it all there, and then this other suitcase will be my wintry clothes that I'm gonna leave at my cousin's house for when I come back to London, because when I come back I'm gonna be homeless, like, unless I find something online before I move and I lock it in. But essentially I just think I'm gonna come back, stay with friends and be like house hunting, and then like get my stuff out of storage. So I just don't know when I'm gonna have clothes, so I need to keep some warm stuff because obviously I'm packing all summer stuff in this other bag. But anyways, I'm bored. I hate packing, hate it, but grateful I don't have to pack up my whole house. I'm clearing through just like some beauty products and stuff. I've been doing like giving away so many products and like Depop orders. I've been giving stuff to all of my neighbors. Any friend that comes over, I'm like, take some bits with you, go through all my clothes. Blythe came over the other day and took a massive moving bag of clothes home with her. I was like, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Oh, also, I'm so excited about this. Dior Beauty sent me this cutie. It's actually a Polaroid camera along with some of their lipsticks. There's like a few that are like this, and I'm obsessed. The color that I was wearing, there's like some really nice reddy colors, but there's also this like nude color. No, that's like a dark one, but there's a nude. Let me find it, that I've been wearing every day. This one, it's like the perfect nude. I don't know if it's like, it feels like a really lightweight lipstick, but like almost like a glossy balm almost. Like, I don't even know, but it's just, I'm obsessed. This is the Rouge Dior On Stage 120 Iconic Rose Shine. Big fan. I love Dior Beauty so much. And also, not that, sorry, this has just become a haul because I have some of these bits in front of me. I always get asked about the lip products I use. Yeah, my favorites at Rimmel just sent me their new lip liners, my plump lip, or their lip shapers, and I'm so excited to try these because all of their lip liners are incredible, but the shades of these is like, let me show you. Shades are like right up my alley. Oh, they're like the perfect brownie nudes, some like lighter kind of pinkier reddy ones that just make your lips look so good. Like, these are my ideal shades, so I'm excited to try them. And then with their Butter Me Up lip butters are so good. Love. A little random mini haul that no one asked for. I'm about to make a Christmas gift for someone. I took a photo strip in a photo booth and I saw like on Pinterest all these cute framed photos of like the photo booth strip. So I'm doing a bit of DIY, just something cute and thoughtful. I mean, I personally would love to hang on my wall. It looks so cool and cute, and it's like such a cute little personal gift. I love thoughtful, cute gifts like that. I went to the charity store, which is literally across the road from my house, and I just bought 3 frames. They were so cheap, and I'm gonna try the photo in a few of them, and I think I might need to go to the craft store and buy like a colored thing for the back. Who knows? We're gonna figure it out. So that's what's happening. Simplest way is gonna be just the black and a white background. It kind of just looks the best. It's like simple but looks like chic. I tried to do some different bordering options, but I honestly feel like Simple yet effective. So you should just get some glue and glue it down and make sure it all looks cute. And I was thinking if I write something underneath or not, but I also like don't want to ruin it because I don't trust my handwriting, but we'll see.
Guys, if you can all subscribe to my channel, Finn or, that'd be amazing. Thanks, guys.
This is who made
Literally just woke up. It's moving day. I've made an extra strong mellow matcha this morning. I'm honestly such an idiot. I should have filmed the house like a week ago when it was still cute. I always do this. I always like want to show my house and then I never film it while it's cute. I film when we're moving out, but I'll still show you guys. So we have stuff kind of everywhere, but this is the front door. You come in, we have this gorgeous big kitchen. It's our little living room. More boxes and stuff, and we had so many cute plants here. It used to be adorable, but I love this kitchen so much. Again, excuse all the stuff, like we had so much storage and like this huge cooktop. Not that I cook that much, but for hosting this was so good. And the cutest little sink area and like wine storage. This was a game changer for me. I know it might sound silly, but nowhere in London has like ice dispenser fridges. So that for me was incredible because I'm an ice drink girly. Just my little matcha station here, all the bits and bobs. And then you come through here, no lights on. This is the little hallway. Again, we had cute plants and more stuff here, but it's the hallway and you go upstairs. My little prints, little jackets. Down here is like the cinema room, toilet and laundry, but it's a mess down there. There's just clothes everywhere that are getting packed. Good morning. This was one room. Obviously it's now all packed away. Another room all packed. Bathroom. My room is up there. The top level. And this is my room. It used to be so much cuter when obviously there wasn't all this stuff, but I am obsessed with my room. Like massive skylight, TV on the wall, coffee bed, cupboard, so everything's neatly there. Well, as neat as I could get it, ready to be packed into boxes. And then all my other bits in there, stuff for my travels. More stuff for my travels. All my bags will be packed up. I'm just about to sort this, like kind of looks like a mess, but it is kind of sorted into parts. Products in my road box. All of this is ready to be packed. And then my favorite part of the house, again, sorry, mess, but I spent so much of my time living here using this bath. Just such a gorgy bathroom and another big skylight. But this is stuff that I need to sort for traveling, different toiletry bags. All of this will get packed away. And yeah. But are these not the most chic moving vans you've ever seen? Has been done. The removalist company that I got is called Davis and Mac. And honestly, like if you're in London and you need a removalist company, they are incredible. The guy that was here packing was the sweetest person and like was so thorough, so helpful. I've never felt so relaxed on a move in my life. So they've packed today and then tomorrow they're gonna come with the truck to take everything. So I'm just kind of in a room boxes right now and I have a few last things to kind of sort out, flowers and stuff, but I actually can't get over, it feels like criminal that I was just kind of sat here watching him pack for me. I was like, hell, but also like love this. I've had such a productive day getting my other work stuff done. I've just gotten dressed, gym kit on, because I am going to go do a class because I feel like a bit of a sloth because I haven't been able to work out properly and consistently for weeks since my fall, because I've been so dizzy girl, and just not feeling very good after my concussion. So it's been a bit of a, you know, process, but I'm gonna go drop some stuff to the post office, pick up some stuff from Waitrose that I need to get, some wrapping paper for some gifts, gym, and then honestly guys, I think it's gonna be like a Chipotle and movie night tonight before the movers come tomorrow. I can't believe it. I can't believe we're moving out of this house. It does not feel real, but again, as I just said, it has been so effortless and easy by having the help from the movers. So how bloody good is that? I also need to get a snack because we've had nothing to make food with, and I had some like Gales this morning and an apple, but I'm kind of starving. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm excited about, but I'm just like excited. I kind of excited to go to the gym because it's been a while. And like, honestly guys, with my ADHD, the gym is the only thing that gives me more energy and helps my brain. Like, I feel like a sloth. Like, I'm so tired today. I also did have a 5 a.m. finish the night I went to Radiohead, so that could also be doing it, but I also need to drink more water. I want to put my electrolytes in. It's just not fun drinking water without my yummy, yummy electrolytes. Oh, I can't be bothered going back upstairs. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get some wrapping paper and bits. I'll chat to you guys soon. What the heck? Okay, the last things that need to be done. In my suitcase, stuffed barley, putting bits in bits, and then the bed just needs to go down. I need to pack my toiletries. I've done this in a very backwards way. I should have had this all finished yesterday, but you know, we're getting there, and it's only 10:15, which is absolutely incredible. My bag's definitely going to be overweight for Bali though, so I'm slightly concerned.
It took me far too long to realize. Take your love for granted.
It's all packed up, all done. Woken up so sick, going to the chemist to get some bits. Whew. Not a good day to be flying.
Baby, we could try again. We could try again. Come back again. I don't wanna play no game. Maybe you should come back. We could try.